How to delete message permanently from your iPhone. Tap on the message icon. You have your message like this. To delete this message, tap on swipe like this, then tap on delete button. Tap on delete. This message will be deleted immediately once you do that on your device. But this message is still available on your device. It has not been fully deleted. It's stored in the space called deleted message on your device. So to permanently delete this message on your device, tap on the message icon again. Tap on the three line at the top of the screen you see here. Then tap on recently deleted messages. Tap on it. You have a lot of messages you deleted here. You can see now. To delete this message permanently on your device, tap on it like this to select the message you want to delete. Now let me select some of these messages, then tap on this basket icon, then tap on see option that delete 85 messages. If you want to completely delete them, tap on delete button, then wait for that message to be deleted. You see that message has been deleted, and you can continue this and delete all other messages on your device. So that is the simple process, guys, on how to delete messages on your iPhone. If you enjoyed this and you've not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.